99% of people don't know this, but you're probably using the word will completely wrong.
Wait, really? But will is for the future, right?
Exactly, but using it for plans makes you sound like a robot. Today, you're going to learn how to sound natural so you can stop being misunderstood in conversations.
I definitely don't want to sound like a robot. Help me.
Let's start. Lesson 1. Stop using will for plans you've already decided on. Use be going to instead.
So I shouldn't say, I will go to the gym tomorrow?
No. Say, I'm going to go to the gym. It shows you've already made the decision.
Oh. So will is only for things I decide right now?
Precisely. If the phone rings, you say, I'll get it. That's an instant decision.
Got it. I'm going to for my plan, all for the moment.
Now, let's get more advanced. Lesson 2. If your plan is a fixed appointment with a time, use the present continuous.
You mean like I am eating?
Exactly. Instead of, I will meet my doctor, say, I'm meeting my doctor at 4 p.m.
That sounds way more confident. It sounds like it's definitely happening.
It is. Native speakers use the ing form for almost all scheduled future events.
So, I'm flying to London on Friday instead of I will fly?
Bingo. You're catching on fast. But what if you aren't 100% sure yet?
Yeah, what if it's just an idea in my head?
That's lesson 3, the most valuable tip. Use the phrase, I'm thinking of, followed by an ing verb.
Like, I'm thinking of buying a new car?
Yes. It sounds much more natural than saying, maybe I will buy a car.
Or I'm considering moving to a new apartment?
Perfect. Considering is slightly more formal, but thinking of is used every single day.
This is changing everything I knew about English grammar.
That's the goal. Now, let's put these into a real-life conversation. Hey. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Well, I'm going to clean my house on Saturday morning.
Nice. Are you free for dinner later?
Actually, I'm meeting my sister for dinner at 7 p.m.
Oh, no problem. Maybe Sunday. I'm thinking of going to that new park.
Sunday sounds great. Wait, is that my phone buzzing?
Yeah, it's on the table.
I'll check it in a second. Let's finish our coffee first.
Did you see what you just did there?
I used I'm going to for my plan, I'm meeting for my fixed date, and all for the phone.
You nailed it. Now it's your turn to practice. Everyone watching, pause the video.
Go to the comments and tell us, what are you going to do tomorrow?
Try to use, I'm thinking of, for one of your future dreams too. We read every comment.
Wait, let's recap everything quickly so they don't forget.
Point 1. Use, be going to, for intentions and plans you've already made.
Point 2. Use the present continuous, ing, for fixed appointments with a time or place.
Point 3. Use, I'm thinking of, for ideas you haven't decided on yet.
And point 4. Only use will for instant, heat of the moment decisions.
You are now a master of the future tense.
I feel so much more native already.
If you found this helpful, hit that like button and share it with a friend who needs to stop saying, I will.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We post a new video every single day to help you become fluent.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep practicing.